We're heading for Mount Buller. We stop here close to Ivan Thomas parking lot. This is Fisher Peak. Mackay Hills, Mackay Mountain, the Wedge, Limestone Mountain. Lots of clouds. It's going to be a little problematic. For Buller it needs to be snow free. Yeah, we had to abandon our today's Mount Buller destination due to the wet conditions, which seems to persist perhaps throughout the day, maybe even into the late afternoon, who knows. And instead we will go for this peak here, which is Mount Buller, Buller Creek Peak. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, very foggy here. So that's a direction of Lilian Peak in a new Nugara book. So Pavel, you say you were already at that peak, right?
Oh, it's only like 5 minutes away, little
Dude, you can't see anything, man. What's wrong with it? Oh my god, such a bad light. Hopefully the sun will clear up, you know. There's no views.
Yeah, you can see Mount Buller.
Oh my god.
Almost can see it.
So it was a good idea not to climb, eh? Buller.
I would say it would be doable, absolutely, but you know.
You have to wait a lot to dry
here
up.
now, you know.
My god, it's such a bad view of the lake.
Now you have nice view of Lilian Peak.
It's clear enough now.
You can see sun.
Lilian Peak. Yeah, that's it.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah, it will be maybe a clearing in a bit. I'm gonna turn it off for now.
Yeah.
Very cloudy day. So Pavel is gonna go towards that peak and I'll follow him eventually. Then we go down back to the Buller Pass. That's Mount Kidd behind. Oh, this one.
Yeah, that one is South Kidd.
What about that all with snow? I don't know if it's gonna be in a camera. Wow, it's bad image again. No, not enough sun. Okay. Is it off? At Buller is now clear. Can you see it clearly?
Quite.
Not quite?
Quite, I said.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Here is a drop.
Oh, this is a break. It's like
That would be bad. Okay, finishing.
yeah, not the best day to take panoramas, that's for sure. I'm at Buller Pass. I've been here before a couple of times, but the snow here is the worst. And Pavel is descending from there, and I think he might have turned around. I was trying to do some other small peak in the area. Yes, I guess we are heading back. It's going to be some snow on a return. It's okay. I can see the trail from here down in the valley. Yeah, Pavel, it's Pavel, how far did you go?
Huh?
How far did you go?
Oh, I went all the way to that peak.
You serious?
Yeah.
Wow. Fast. So how was?
Huh?
White out, eh? White out?
What do you say?
White out?
Yeah, pretty much.
You didn't see anything, eh? Zero views.
There is like little cairn up on top. I
Yeah.
stayed like maybe 5 minutes, no more, maybe 3 minutes, and
Uh-huh.
descended.
So when we go down straight down, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, look,
It's
this...
worth doing once you're here, you know.
Sorry?
It's worth doing once you are up here, but
Yeah, with the good views.
yeah, it's like moderate scrambling actually.
Mm.
But weather
I
sucks.
saw the lake is not supposed to be a lake there.
I don't know.
Some people are walking towards this location, towards Buller Pass here. This is the only sunny break we had in the last hour and a half, I think. Oh, so actually the Buller Pass is not there.
It is.
It's not here, right?
That is North Buller Pass. This is South Buller.
Oh, this is South Buller Pass, that's why.
Yeah.
So probably from North Buller Pass you can see the lake, right?
Yeah, I don't know which lake we're talking about.
You think we should go there?
Huh?
We should go there, you think?
I think there is no point. It's lower than here.
No, but you see the lake at least, right?
I think we should just drop down and come back home.
But listen, if we... Oh, so if you go down this way, it's not gonna be a snow traverse. Well, if you go there, we just stick on a trail.
Just stick on the trail. There is some snow patches, but that's about it, right?
Mm. Yeah. Yeah, some mixed weather for sure. Mostly fog. That's South Buller Pass, and that's Lilian Peak, which will come up in a new Andrew Nugara more scrambles in the Rockies. In the Rockies, you can see some guys the snow there. Yeah, sure, Pavel went to that peak, but he had zero views. And we came from the peak in that direction. We had 40% views there. So this is it. Yeah. Yeah, so this is South Buller Pass. That's a red peak, you say? North Buller Pass. Right. And that's a red peak further. And then so in this case, I'm trying to remember because I did this loop. If the South Buller Pass is there, is it gonna come this way? Around and traverse there and go down. Okay, so we were there and beyond that. Is that my video in good direction? No, I mean by the look of it. Yeah, it should be okay. Alright, so now we are going to simply descend here in a valley. Since you don't wanna go back to the South Pass. Will be the rooftop Mount Buller visible from here. Back at the parking lot for Buller Creek Peak, which is actually visible right there. That's where we were, me and Pavel, and he then did the one on the right. I didn't bother with that. So the way we climbed up was kind of, let me try to see, almost to the right. Where is that ridge? There was a descent anyway. But the way up was kind of almost there. Minimal scramble. I did scrambling mostly to avoid some loose rock. And yeah, this is Mount Buller, the west face, and that's Mount Nestor.